Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Featuring in this video is the final stamping plate that Marianne Nails have very kindly sent to me to review. So a big thank you to them for sending these to me, and this is stamping plate number 31, and you'll find where to purchase along with social media links in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. I'm going to be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and I'll be using the clear head along with my scraper, and I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to start off with the brown nail tip, and I'm going to be using a brown stamping polish. I love sweater designs. I never used to, but I think they're a classic winter mani, and they can look so pretty as well. I did quite a few last year, to be fair, and I'll definitely be using this one this coming winter. For my second swatch, I'm going to be using a red coloured nail tip along with a gold stamping polish. This for me is a popular colour combo for the autumn winter seasons, and I love this design. It is so pretty and will be popular as well. For the third swatch, I'm going to be using a dark blue nail tip along with a white stamping polish. I would love to see this in a sort of a winter scene mani, and it has stamped brilliantly. I do however want to see what this would look like shrinked, as it's quite a large word image. For my fourth swatch, I'm going to be using a green coloured nail tip along with a new dark green stamping polish that I've recently had. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to look because of the dark green over the green, but I have to say I love it. This will be in a mani for me for the winter for definite. For my fifth swatch, I'm going to use a light blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish, and I'm going to be using 2 of the smaller designs on the bottom to create this nail, using the words in the middle and then 2 snowflakes, one above and one below. For these designs, any of the excess I will just remove with my lint roller before I place it down. And I do love how this turned out in the end. It is so pretty. I love making whole nails out of little different ones. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and the mani that I've created from plate 31. Marianne Nails stamping plate number 31 is wintry inspired. There's 21 large style designs at the top and then about 25 smaller ones at the bottom. So across the whole of plate 31 there's a real mix of different style images, but they're absolutely stunning though. What I love about plate 31 is the amount of wintry word images. There's actually about 15 in total, which I think is just amazing. And there is again a mix between the large and the small as well. And they have all come out so nice and clean and clear. I really do like them. And again, just like plate 30, there are some really unique designs, like the very large ski boot. I've never seen an image like that before. The mittens on the string, and my personal favourites are the 3 swirly images. It's not often that you find swirly designs on winter plates. For me, there is so many images that I want to use for this coming winter season. I do also think if you were to purchase plate 30 and 31 together, you would probably be set for winter manis. I know I'll definitely be putting them together to see what I can come up with to create for manis across the winter season. And again, just like the other 4 Marianne Nails stamping plates, plate 31 was so easy to use. I just used the same stamper as I did in the live swatching, so whether you're a beginner or have been stamping a while, They will work with everyone, I think. If you've missed the other 4, you can find them along with my other Marianne Nail swatch reviews in my Marianne Nail playlist here on my channel. They really are some stunning plates and definitely not to be missed. For the mani, I have used a gold glittery nail polish and a red stamping polish, and I've just used 2 designs that I personally really liked, and they have worked so well together. This is definitely one that I will recreate for the winter season. I really do like the outcome. My only issue with it is I smudged some of the nail polish, so it spoilt it a little bit. You'll find all of Marianne Nails' social media links along with my Instagram page link in the description box below, and all of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. Once again, a massive thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Marianne Nails stamping plate number 31. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. And also don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.